Good morning, you guys, and welcome to Costa Rica. It's the 4th day of my 1-month solo travel around Central America, and I'm currently in Tortuguero in the east side of Costa Rica. It's like the Caribbean side. It took us like 4 hours to get here yesterday, and I'm currently traveling with this travel group called We Road. It's a organization for solo travelers like me who want to explore as much of a country as possible. So you have like a really packed itinerary and you're going everywhere around the country basically. So I'm doing the Costa Rica 360 essentially. And so yeah, this morning we woke up at 5 a.m. to go kayaking because the wildlife wakes up really early here, and also some of it is nocturnal. So to see the most possible wildlife, you have to go really, really early in the morning. But yeah, it was so magical. We're inside this like big, massive national park. So we're actually continuing to explore it today. We're going upwards the river and onto, yeah, just further into the national park essentially. So I need to go repack my backpack. I've now unpacked and repacked it like 3 times. And then we're gonna go to our next location. Let's go. It's getting more and more packed every day. And I didn't even buy stuff.
The thing is, every time you travel, you're like, oh, I really need to pack lighter next time. I need to pack lighter.
Yeah, but no.
Yeah.
And we're running out of clothes, and
yeah,
it's like just it's the first wash day.
Yeah, I am.
Use my leg strength. Oh, got this stuff. Okay, this is where we've been sleeping for the past days. It's a like 3-person dorm. It's actually really nice. Like I had a double bed tonight. There's a ensuite bathroom. But yeah, we're ready to go. We're getting a boat 1.5 hours to a lodge that we're staying at for the next 2 days. I think it's gonna be really nice. I'm very excited to see how it looks.
De tu nido, paloma linda, anda y prueba tu volar. No tengas miedo, mi palomita, que nada te va a pasar. Anda y prueba tus alas bonitas, sin que el temor te limite.
We've made it to the lodge we're staying at the next 2 days in Sarapiqui. It's a little bit colder here because we're up in the mountains. Not that high, but like 500, 600 meters. Let's go check out the rooms. Here's the room. 2 beds, 1 bed here, a little mirror. And we have the craziest little balcony. Look at this. So pretty, wow. Good morning, it is day 2 and we are going water rafting and swimming in waterfalls. It is raining really heavily, but I put on like my surf top and my swimsuit underneath, and I'm just gonna deal with it and be wet in the rafting. It doesn't really matter because you're gonna get soaked anyway. It is warm though, so it's okay. I really do hope it clears up though, because it would be nice to like not have to walk through the park with the waterfalls in like pouring rain, but we'll see. We're heading out now, so let's go. You're still in it. Let's go.
I feel like that. Good?
Yeah, it's good. How long is the rafting?
Like 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes.
Okay, so we're definitely gonna fall in the water sometime.
You never know.
You never know, okay. Yeah. 2, 1. How's the water?
It's nice, it's refreshing.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
I'm not getting in. I'm wearing these shoes and they're they're very dirty now, unfortunately. Good morning from Uvita. We arrived here the day before yesterday, so 2 days ago, and it is probably one of the prettiest places I've ever seen. The whole beach area is located within a national park, so everything you see around me is uninhabited. It's just nature, it's just a national park, so it's so pretty. But right now we are going out to have a full boat day. We're going snorkeling. I think we're going surfing later today as well. Everyone's here, so let's go.
Al despertar, el río va buscando un lugar para descansar.
How are you feeling, Stella? I'm very dry.
Agua dulce, agua fresca de un manantial. El agua une a todos, nos da vida y dignidad. Agua.
We're swimming to see corals. I thought it looked so funny with the life vest, but it's the easiest way to do it.
La lluvia va rompiendo el silencio y oscuridad. El hielo derritiéndose da miedo, ya no hay vuelta atrás. El agua corre, el agua sana y la vida te da. Agua salpica y purifica y del cielo cae. El agua une a todos, nos da vida y dignidad.
March, April are the months without rain. So that's the reason here it's called wet rainfall, no, very wet. Other than in Tortuguero, no matter what time of year it's raining. There, in any moment, even if it's a blue sky, boom, the rain is coming.
Manuel Antonio Beach, and apparently it's been voted the #1 most beautiful beach in Costa Rica, and I have to say it is absolutely stunning.